So we've talked about products that I love. What about products that I hate? What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alya if you are new here. So as you can tell by the title of today's video, I am going to be sharing some of the products I tried this year that I just did not love. Now, it's not that all of these products are terrible products, it's just that some didn't work for me, and then some really are just terrible. So, of course, I'll tell you what is what when we actually get to it. So I'm going to start with makeup, and then I'm going to jump into skincare. There's not nearly as many products in this video as there was in the last, thank God, because I hate wasting money. So the first product that I just really didn't like was a foundation, and surprisingly, Milani. It's the Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint, and this is in the shade 210 Light Medium. And it says 29% squalene, and it has electrolytes, coconut water blend. I don't know what it is about this. It is just so oily and like overdewy to the point of greasy. It settles in all the wrong places, like around my nose. I don't even have like much of laugh lines going on, but it settles there. It just does not wear well, and it is not, in my opinion, a skin tint. This is like a really oily foundation, and I used it one time, and one time was enough. Goodbye. The next product I used is also a tinted moisturizer. This is by the brand No. 7. This is their City Lights Tinted Moisturizer. It has UVA, UVB, SPF 15, advanced protection from daily environmental stress, sheer tint, perfect color. This transfers onto literally everything. It does not dry down. Your face is tacky to the touch all day long. Your hair sticks to your face. You have to wear a face mask. This is coming off all over that. It gets extremely patchy. Like, it just peels off in places all over the place. Really annoying because this wasn't like super cheap. I mean, it was like 20 something euro, which is annoying. It says it's suitable for sensitive skin. That's probably true. I didn't have any irritation from it. I tried this a few times with like different products, different bases. It's same result every time, so this is a pass. The next product, a lot of people probably won't agree with me because a lot of people are a big fan of this. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. I got a darker shade because I was using it for contouring, and oh my god, did I hate it. Hate. Like, it just is extremely patchy, super hard to blend. It pulls up your foundation. I mean, just not worth it. It's cheap, thankfully, but just not worth it. Just get like a different cream contour if you can find one. I wanted to try this because I've seen a lot of people use it for that purpose. I don't know what they're doing, but like, it's not work for me. Now, if you watched my Get Ready With Me video in Arizona, you will have seen like the trauma of this mascara. This is the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Uncensored Mascara, and this is the worst mascara I have ever tried. Like, I don't know if I got a defective one. Like, it is just missing so many bristles everywhere. What even is this wand? Like, it's a joke. I'm speechless. It's like someone chewed on this and put it away is what it looks like. It does absolutely nothing for your lashes. It does not lengthen them. It does not thicken them. It barely even coats them because it's missing so many bristles. This one pissed me off, not gonna lie. Now, this next one will come as probably a shock to most people because this is a cult favorite, but it is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lipstick and Pillow Talk Lip Liner Duo. Now, it's not like I hate these, like, I still use them, but I just don't really see a lot of color payoff. I got the, like, I think it's the lighter version. It's like the 1 or whatever, the original. Thankfully, I got it in, like, the travel size kit. I just don't feel like there's much payoff, like, not much color payoff with either one of these products. I just think they're really overpriced and overhyped. Like, I will stick to my NYX lip liners all day long and my Milani lipsticks. I feel like I can get the same but way better like look for this. I'm still going to use this because I paid a lot of money for it, but not my favorite. The next product is by Becca Cosmetics. This is the Becca Zero Glass Highlight for face and lip. I mean, I really like I actually do like their Zero Pigment Foundation, which is basically like glorified primer. But this is really sticky. It doesn't like dry down nicely. Your hair and everything just sticks to it all day. I'd much prefer the Ciate Dewy Stick over this. This to me is just like a whatever, not worth the money. Now, I have one nail polish to talk to. This is the Max Factor X Masterpiece Express Quick Dry 60-second nail polish. I got it in this pretty like periwinkle blue. This chipped in like 2 hours of having it on. By day 2, it was chipped like all the way back down my nail. I've never had that happen. Like, I don't even know how that's possible. Like, it wasn't like I put my fingers in the garbage disposal. I just, waste of money. This is, I think, what brand is this? Oh, duh, Max Factor. Whatever, not worth the money, sucks. Moving right along into skincare, I have this Elemis Apricot Facial Toner, and this came in like that Molly May box of like all of her favorites that you got to try. It's not like it's a bad product. I just don't see the point. Like, I don't get it. Okay, I don't get it. I've never been big on toners. I just think that, like, why? It's just way too fragrance for me as well. Like, I'm just gonna give this to someone because I'm sure someone else will appreciate this as a nice brand. I just have no use for it, basically. So that's that. The next products that I was not a fan of are from Glow Recipe. I have the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask and the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Now, these were a gift, and I tried both of them a couple times, and oh my gosh, did they make me break out an itch and like have rashes on my face. The Retinol one made me break out like bad. I don't know what it was. I used it a few times. That was enough for me. I just couldn't. And then the Watermelon one, oh my god, did my skin hate this. And I do not have sensitive skin at all. Pretty much nothing irritates my skin, like nothing. This made me itch like a mofo. Like, I could not stop scratching. I had to wash it off. I slept with it like once or twice, and my face was like red and rashy and itchy, and then it broke out. It's a no. I don't know if it's because it's too fragrance. My face doesn't normally have a problem with fragrance, but did not like this. Like, I'm just gonna stick to that soothing balm that I talked about in the last video. Much cheaper and does not irritate my skin. The last two products are by the brand The Ordinary, and I usually like all of their stuff, but I was just not a fan of their vitamin C suspension 23% with hyaluronic acid spheres 2%. Now, this has like grains in it, which it doesn't say on here that it's supposed to be exfoliating. So to me, that was a little weird. Wasn't a fan of that. I don't typically like rough exfoliant products. When I use an exfoliant, it is the Paula's Choice liquid exfoliant. I don't like scrubbing stuff into my skin. Also, this burns. I don't know why, like, this just burns my skin. My skin does not like it at all, and yeah, I've used it a few times. I've used it on its own. I've used it with other products. I get the same result every time, like a burning sensation. And it just takes forever for my skin to absorb. It kind of dries down to this real oily look. So yeah, not a fan. And the last product I really tried to love, another cult favorite. I used quite a bit of this and I just hated it every single time. I don't know why I didn't stop. It's the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% and 1% zinc. And I know this is like a big fave for people, especially with like acne. And I was using this when I had acne and I saw no difference. The other thing that I didn't like about this is you have to be so careful, like the teeniest amount. If you use any more than that, it pills up, it gets these like white particles, it flakes off your skin. Like, why? I don't want to have to put in that much effort just to use a skincare product. Like, to me, this was just shit. I hated it. Like, would not repurchase, wouldn't recommend. If you have breakouts, there's a million other things out there that are better than this. Sorry that was so aggressive, but I've been holding on to these products all year for this video, for this exact purpose. So I had some like resentment and anger that needed to come out. But I feel much better. This was like therapy, so thank you for listening. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you use any of these products or if you have used any of them, what your opinions are. Do you think I'm wrong? Do you think I'm right? I would love to know your opinion. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching.